Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. So this is my pink,
You just said it.
pink,
I can't remember.
pink guava. I think it's a pink guava or pineapple guava, but it is a guava tree. So, do you remember? Oh, I know when it was. It was the snow. It was the snow that we thought it was dead, and then so I told Ben to plant it over here. Okay, that's Ben over there. Say hey, Ben. And you want to cut it low, Ben. You want them low. If you want to do it, in pieces, that's fine. So Ben is taking the sugar cane down. That's what we're doing. And of course, Lemon over there overseeing everything. He overseeing Ben. And that's the sugar cane is coming down because you just have to get it down because it's just gonna grow back. But I like to leave some of it out for some of my neighbors. They do come and get it. Some people, I think I had about 6 people came and got some at the beginning of the year when we cut it down because of the snow. So they got some. So, but they know they are welcome to come and get it. And Ben, that other part over there too. You don't know what other sugar cane? Yeah, I have another area where I have sugar cane at, and that's on the other side. So here we go here, just getting it all down. And hey, good, how are you? All right. And Ben, while you over there, you see that mulberry tree? See that green stem? I want you to make it longer, go down low, and cut me a big stem off of it. If you get about 2 good stems off of it. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Or just cut a nice big piece off of it and give it to me. I'm gonna start it in a container. That's okay. That's fine. It don't have to be, Ben. Yeah, now you see that piece right there in front of you? Get it. Yeah, get that. That's what I want. Thank you. So this mulberry tree is really cool. Put on great berries, but I don't want it in the ground because they get very big. So I'm gonna put it in a container and I'm gonna put it on the concrete where it won't go through and I can control it. And we'll still have mulberries. Yeah, and give me the ones you set down. Oh yeah, that's good. Very good, Ben. Very
I know.
good.
It was in
In the sugar cane? Yeah, yeah. Awesome. And I'm gonna take a stem from my guava tree, probably that one. Let me show this one right there. And I'm gonna start a new tree with that one. Just in case something happens again, we'll have more than one. Yeah. This weather change that we have, you never know from season to season, what's going to happen. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. So these are some of the stems and the leaves that Ben harvests for me. Now, Ben, this one, this one is not a mulberry. Yeah, this is elderberry. That's elderberry. So we're gonna leave her there. But this is mulberry. And I have enough. So this is mulberry. This is elderberry. Yeah. Yeah. Mulberry. Elderberry. There we go. So I have some containers here and but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first put them in water. I'm gonna put some in water, I'm gonna put some in soil and see which one roots first. All right. So I was showing Ben the difference between the elderberry and the mulberry. And this is what I noticed on my mulberry. Look at this. She's growing her mulberries. Wow. But I'm gonna take it all off and I'm gonna put some of the stems in water and some in soil. And I can see if I can start me a controlled mulberry. I want her controlled because these things can get up to 60 foot tall. No, we don't need that. I'm gonna put her on this concrete back here. So, yeah. So Ben, how tall you think that elderberry is?
right here.
No, this is an elderberry. The elderberry is about 20, and that's about as tall as she gonna get. She been there for over 20 years now. So this is my elderberry tree. This is my elderberry. And she is about 20 feet tall, but she won't get any taller than what she is. No. She been there over 20 years. Yeah. All right. All right, so this is my mulberry cuttings, and I put them in water. Now, in this water, I have molasses. That's what's in this water. Just some sugar, baby. But anyway, so these are the cuttings that Ben just did for me. Anyway, that's them. I'm gonna let them sit out here on my grow table and enjoy life. And hopefully get some roots. Yeah. Oh, wow. So, let's see. Let me get this out of here. So this is, oh wow, isn't she beautiful? This is that yellow, I'll put the name of it right there, but this is one. She looks so pretty, y'all. Boy, she looked pretty. I mean, gorgeous. And here is another one here. nice fluffy leaves. What is this under here? It's on the ground, so it'll start to decompose back into the soil if you leave it in there, on there anyway. There is some basil in there. This basil is, the weather have her looking so bad, but that's okay, baby. That's okay. And even though we've still been getting just, she's still going to seed. It's a basil. Yeah. That's okay. I definitely wanted to check these. Awesome. Awesome. All right. There we go. And you, just a pop-up. She is a pop-up. And the purple basil too have succumbed to some of the weather also. Just, yeah. But anyway, that's them. Wow. Cool girl. So yesterday I put some 511 and super juice in this cell, and today I'm gonna take maybe 2 of these plants out and put in the cell. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. So just I kind of like push it to one side when the hole is too big. When the hole is too big, I just push it to one side, right? And there we go. Because you don't want any air in there with her, right? And so let's go on this side over here some more. And I'll take one more out of here. Oh, get up. And I'm gonna push it to this side. And hopefully the mint will protect them from anybody want to eat them. I don't have an onion bulb or garlic bulb out here with me, but I do have some onions in here, so I'm gonna get one. Let me take one of them. You're gonna be all right, baby. Give me one. Give me one. Huh? Okay, man. Enjoy your evening. All right. So I got this. It's I don't know. It's a green onion, or it is a it's a green onion, or it's a leek. One of the two, but it's something I dropped in here. That's for sure. So we're just gonna put it in there like that. And this soil is very moist. It looks crumbly, but it's very moist. And hopefully everybody stay happy. There we go. And these two, I'll find spaces for them. They got a empty cell on the other side. Let's go do it since we're out here. So since there is lots of garlic bulbs in this bed, I'm gonna just put them in this bed here. So I got a lot of space to find out where I can put something at. Let go. Thank you. Put her here. I have clothes drying, And the vent is not far from where I'm at. And you can smell it. It smells so good. I don't know what kind of fabric softener it is, but damn, it smells good out here this morning. But let's go. All right. There we go. All right. And I do have some other ones coming up over there, but we ain't gonna do it. All right. There you go. Let's go. So I'm gonna harvest this cabbage today for my little sister. It is nice and big and healthy. And yes, it is ready. It is ready. So I don't want to let it stay in the soil too long, right? So I'm going to harvest it and she will come and pick it up. But it is a beautiful cabbage. I harvest 3 cabbages today. I want to make sure I give my little sister one of the biggest ones. Yeah, she is just that special to me, right? But this is my cabbage. Now, I don't know the variety of this cabbage. I'm not sure. So there is my cabbages. I have a smaller one here and this baby. Yeah. I have a beautiful cabbage here. Yeah. Now these are just some of the leaves from the cabbage, and I'm going to bury them in this soil. And you know why. You know why. So after I harvest this cabbage, I sent this clip to my little sister. Y'all, she couldn't stand it. She says, I'm on my way. I'm on my way.